Hello, welcome back. I have a Pickbeard number 3 challenge lock here. This was part of a set of 4 in total. I picked the first 1, 2 and 4 I believe, but this first time I had my hands on lock number 4. It was just a wee bit delayed by the postman, so to speak. Oh, there we go. I was just about to say it's feeling very strange there because, well, I wasn't getting anything except for, well, there you go, it's picked. So, set that there. Bring you down a bit. Bring this over and let me see. Take the clip off the back of it, so I'll rotate that round. Try not to drop that out, right? So the pins are at the top there. So turn that round to catch it and work with follower. There it is there. Put that in. Ooh, that was pin 5 dropped out first. So stick this here. In fact, let me just. Sorry guys, just trying to fix the camera there for you. So that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's have a look at the core. No modifications there, just a wee bit of a countersink, and I think that's manufacturer made on the top. So the pins are all standard from what I can see. I'll get you a close-up photo here after. Just trying to arrange them and sort them out. Right, and then the lock itself. Let's see, let's have a wee look. There you go, so pin 1 is standard. And 2 is standard as well. Sorry, losing focus here a bit. 3 is a spool. 4 is standard. And there we go. 5 is also a spill. And I'm pretty certain the core is just standard as well, if the previous locks are anything to go on there. So there we go there. Here's the pins. So pin number 3 and number 5 are spools, everything else is standard. There you go. Thanks very much for watching. Subscribe and cheerio.